So here we are now in conversation with Mr. Raghav Khosla, who is the managing director of Skyra. Sir, please tell us more about your brand and your overall experience at Ahar today.
Yeah, so Skyra is a 60-year-old brand. It's a third-generation family business. We are into manufacturing of buffet serving systems. We have been doing this for 3 generations, and we supply all over the world. We are in 30 countries. Ahar is very, very critical for us. It is where we show our innovations for the Indian market. And between all the hotels, restaurants, catering companies, and corporates that come here, we are able to do a huge amount of business that keeps us rolling for the entire year based on this show.
So, sir, when it comes to, talking about buffet systems, I think whatever hotels, if we talk about the hospitality industry, every hotel requires a unique level of buffet system. So, what is the quality or assurance that Skyra is providing, or what is the key or characteristic feature for Skyra?
So we are very, very focused on customer success, especially to do with hotels. They need to ensure that there is no failure in their buffets. And so for that reason, our customer service team, they are there making sure that the team down the line is being trained properly, that the products are being maintained, that they're being used right till its maximum output. And that is our key USP, other than the fact that we design perfectly for them. So keeping food at the right temperature and
Right.
at the right texture really helps in making sure that it is fresh over a period of time. And since buffets go on from 2 to 6 hours, it is our innovation that helps them achieve this.
I think this is very major. The fact that you mentioned that temperature should be maintained in order to, ensure that the food quality is prolonged for a longer period of time. I think that's wonderful. We wish you all the best. Nice talking to you. Thank you so much.